Another way to represent data is called a histogram, and histogram is just a way of grouping data by intervals. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and group this data by intervals. So let's make each one of these boxes go up by 10. So each one is 10, but I'm just going to label every 20. All right, so each box is 10, but I'm going to label every 20. All right, and then I'm just going to make this happens once, happens twice, happens 3 times, happens 4 times, happens 5 times, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times. And we're just grouping the data, okay? So between 0 and 10, how much data do we have? We just have 0. It's the only one, so we have 1. So this is the frequency, the amount of times the score happens, right? So frequency. All right, and this down here is the interval. All right, so again, I'm doing my data, but you're doing yours. Once you get the hang of it, you can pause the video and go ahead and complete your data. How many scores do I have between 10 and 20? All right, so again, 13 is bigger than 10, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just how many times does it happen? So now I'm at 30. I'm sorry, I'm 20. Now I have 20 to 30. So how many pieces of data do I have? Just 27, so just 1. Now I'm at 30. How many pieces of data do I have? So 30 to 40, so 1, 2. All right, then now I'm at 40. How many pieces of data do I have? 1, 2, and then I'm past 50, so again, another 2. From 50 to 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm put my mouse there for it to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from 60 to 70, so 1. And again, this is past 70, so just 1. From 70 to 80, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the way to the very top. All right, then from 80 to 90, 1, 2. Don't pass 90, so 2. And then from 90 to 100, 1, 2, 3. So again, you're just grouping your intervals. So this is the frequency, the amount of times you had a score between 0 and 10. The amount of times you had a score between 10 and 20. So it's just grouping it. So when you group it, it's very quick to see, right? What interval scored the most? Because between, or most of my scores were in between 70 and 80, because you can see that interval exceeds everything by far. So most of my scores, or the ones that had the highest number of kids score, was 70 and 80. Not that most of my scores were there, was 70, 80. How many students scored less than 70%? So here's 70%, so 60 to 70. So that's going to be everything here. So all of this is less than 70%. And you just count how many kids did that. All right, so this is one box. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, this is 5, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, this is 4, this is 1. So add those up. 1 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16. So for this, how many students scored below 70 is 16. Okay, so there are different questions that they can ask you based on, do you understand the histogram, how to group your data. How many kids scored between 90 and 100? So that's going to be here, 3. So you're quickly able to see it. What was the interval that scored the highest? Between 70 and 80. You can see that it had 10 people. All right, so again, histogram, stem and leaves, box and whisker plot, it's just a way to represent data to just quickly be able to look at it and pull information from. Let's practice.